Hello, and welcome back to Programmers Academy. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data science and machine learning. Data science is all about turning raw data into meaningful insights. It's like discovering hidden treasures in a sea of information. And machine learning? Well, that's the brain behind intelligent applications, making predictions and decisions based on data. In data science, we collect and clean data, visualize it to understand trends, and then build predictive models. Think of it as Sherlock Holmes meets math and coding. You'll work with powerful tools like Python, R, and libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib. These tools help you wrangle data and create stunning visualizations. Businesses love data scientists because they can help make data-driven decisions. Whether it's improving sales, predicting market trends, or enhancing customer experiences, data science is everywhere. Now, let's talk about machine learning. It's like teaching computers to learn and make decisions on their own. You've heard of self-driving cars, right? Well, they use machine learning to analyze real-time data from sensors and make split-second driving decisions. In healthcare, machine learning can diagnose diseases more accurately, helping doctors save lives. And don't forget those Netflix and Amazon recommendations. Machine learning algorithms analyze your preferences to suggest movies or products you'll love. So, whether you're a data enthusiast or a coding wizard, data science and machine learning offer endless possibilities. They're the keys to understanding our world and building a smarter future. That's it for today's quick intro to data science and machine learning. If you're excited to learn more, stay tuned because we'll be covering these topics in depth in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Programmers Academy for more exciting content on programming, data, and all things tech. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy coding!